kitchen. Hello everyone, today we are making chocolate eclairs. Now I think chocolate eclairs are delicioso. They are delicious. Now I just wanted to put a disclaimer. This video is in 3 parts because we have to make the dough, the custard, and the chocolate. So there's 3 parts in this video, which we thought might make it easier for some of you. Yes, the army of eggs comes in. A little bit of magic to start us off is always helpful. A nice pottery pot, butter, water, sugar, and salt. This butter, right now, I'm not gonna lie, it looked like a disease. Now you know it's ready to add the eggs if the dough is starting to pull away from the side and stick to the bottom. What I don't get is that people are always like, oh my god, eclairs are so hard to make. Like, they take forever. But they're actually quite simple. If I flash back though, I may remember it being harder. So I may be lying. But if you've baked and cooked before, they're quite simple. You just need a little bit of strength because while you're stirring, it's kind of very tough and you have to be strong. And the piping, as you can see here, I wasn't that strong enough. You have to really pipe out and let it sit. Now the good thing about this is if you're having, let's say you're making eclairs for a fancy party, if there's any non-perfect ones, like Mr. Double Chin over there, you can eat them. But I would suggest putting glaze and stuff in it first before you eat it. Now, this is step 2. We are making, oh no, what happened to your friend's little eggy boy? Okay, sorry, got distracted. We are making the filling now. Now, this filling is delicious. But if you're a vegan, this ain't for you. It's not for you if you're a vegan. It has a lot of milk and eggs. Little bubbles. Now, while the egg is depressed, we're gonna snap his friends away and put them in a bowl. So that's fun. Sorry. Oh, and we're also gonna murder him too. Whisk those eggs up until they're nice and fluffy. Spin your bowl around, and then bring in your sugar and cornstarch. Mix that in, and now you still look like you have just eggs. But you're gonna slowly add the milk while stirring, slowly, little drops at a time. I know this looks like we did it really fast, but you want to add it slowly because this is one of the trickiest parts in my opinion, because otherwise the eggs will scramble. Here we left them for a little too long because it's over the fire, obviously, and it did thicken up, but we revived it. Well, it's supposed to be thick, but it did chunk up, so you have to be stirring at all times. And then you also have to scrape off the bottom of the sieve. And, I mean, you don't have to. Otherwise, if you don't, it's for the chef, if you know what I mean. Alright, this is part 3. The glaze. The glaze, yes, the glaze. Now, this is kind of what makes a chocolate eclair a chocolate eclair. Because otherwise, what would it be called? A non-chocolate eclair? An eclair? No, it still sounds like it would have chocolate. A pastry with creme inside, maybe? No, the chocolate is what brings it mostly together, in my opinion. It makes it taste, mwah, chef's kiss. Now, we have a very good close-up of my dad's hands, and at this point, I want to say thank you so much for bringing us to 100 subscribers. We are so grateful, and we were so happy. We came to 100 subscribers last week while we were filming, but we couldn't get this video out in time. So I just wanted to say thank you so much. We are so happy. I feel like I'm pronouncing my S's a little too strongly right now. Well, as we dip this in, you will see what we made in our gratitude. Not that we didn't make that turd log. No. We made 100. An eclair 100. Bon appetit. Please like and subscribe. Maybe get us to 200. Thank you.